Okay, for 92, let's start with A. We'll just go in order here, right? A, it's x minus 3/5 equals 1 2/5. I'm going to change that into improper fractions. I think it's easier. Equals 7/5, right? Then we add 3/5 to both sides, plus 3/5. And we get x equals 10/5, which is x equals 2, right? For A. B, we have 5.2. This is B, right? 5.2 plus x equals 10.95. We subtract 5.2 from both sides, 5.2, and we get x equals, right, 5.75, right? And we leave that as decimals since the question was in decimals. C, we have 2x minus 3.25 equals 7.15. We'll add 3.25 to both sides, 3.25. And we get 2x equals 10.40, right, or 10.4. We divide both sides by 2, and we get x equals 5.2. That's for C. And then D, let me make some space here. D, we have x over 16 equals 3 over 8, right? So what I could do this a couple ways. I could cross multiply, right? But I could just multiply the right-hand side by 2 over 2, which is 1, right? So I get x over 16 equals 6 over 16. So therefore, if the denominators are the same, then x clearly equals 6. That's one way, probably the easiest. Or you could have cross multiplied to do that. Either way.